Open a PR package with me. Nobody really actually shows the products or like if they're good or not, so I'm here to do that. Smart way of doing this. Got it. It's PRs from LIKEtoKNOW. I work with them all the time. I love LIKEtoKNOW, and they send out these little goodies around different seasons and etc. And this one is for festival season. Okay, so this is everything in the box, and at the top up here, there's a little card that shows all the things inside of it. There's 10 different things, and I will go through them. Okay, so number one is this bucket hat, and it's from Forever 21, and this is actually so cute. I don't really own any bucket hats, but... So I'll make sure to link all of these on my LIKEtoKNOW, but I just looked this up, and it's only $7. And she's so cute. I absolutely adore Supergoop, so this makes me really happy. But the next thing is the glow stick by them, which I actually haven't tried out. So upon research, it is a sunscreen that doubles as a highlighter because of the finish it leaves. So I'm just gonna apply a sunscreen on arms and legs to give kind of like a dewy look. Yeah, that's perfect. That's what I will be using this for. So the next Supergoop product in here is the Unseen Sunscreen, and I use this all the time. I'm not going to show it because I actually love this product. This is my go-to sunscreen. Amazing. I love this brand. Next is this body marker kit by Bic, which is so funny because I didn't even know they made stuff like this, but look how cute. I honestly wish I would have had these in high school because I'd love to draw myself, but I gave myself these little flowers with the stamps. This is so cutie, and it's perfect because it washes right off. I already tried it. Next is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and I actually almost just bought this because they came to my school for a career fair, the company, and tried their products. Love them, so I'm so happy to get this. The smell is so good. I'm not gonna try it because I already love it, but it also came with this cute little cleansing rag. Okay, I need to speed this up. And next we got the sunglasses, Forever 21. Next is the body chain and a necklace also from Forever 21, which is perfect for concerts because honestly, it just gets destroyed and it's cheap. Fanny from Urban Outfitters. They're so cute. Go off Bic with the freckle pen.